In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change the startup page in Google Chrome. Begin by opening Google Chrome on your computer. When the browser window is open, move to the top right corner and click the More icon. This is the icon with 3 vertical dots. Clicking it will open a drop-down menu with several browser options. From that menu, select Settings. On the left-hand sidebar, look for the option labeled On Startup and click it. This section controls what Chrome opens when you first launch the browser. Once you are in the On Startup section, you will see 3 available choices. To change your startup page, select Open a specific page or set of pages. This tells Chrome that instead of opening a default page, it should open the website or websites you choose. After selecting that option, you can customize your startup pages. If you want to add a new page manually, click the option to add a new page. Then type or paste the full web address of the website you want Chrome to open at startup. Once you have entered the address, click Add to save it. Make sure the web address is correct so Chrome opens the exact page you want. There is also a quicker option if the website is already open in one of your current tabs. In that case, you can click Use Current Pages. Chrome will automatically take the pages that are open right now and set them as your startup pages. After that, your changes are applied automatically, so there is usually no extra save button to press. The next time you open Chrome, it should launch with the page or pages you selected. That covers everything you need to know.